Currently in our area, 47 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Today, partly cloudy, high 54. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy, slight chance of a rain shower. Low 43. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Monday, mainly sunny, high 60. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.